Political MUSKPOL, Solana Memecoin will explode 15,000% before exchange listings, as Bonk, SHIB and Doge lag. Political Musk could turn early investors into multimillionaires, like Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin Doge did. Political MUSKPOL, a new Solana Memecoin that was launched today, is set to explode over 15,000% in price in the coming days. This is because MUSKPOL is set to soon be listed on numerous crypto exchanges, according to reports. This will give the Solana Memecoin exposure to millions of additional investors, who will pour funds into the coin and drive its price up. Currently, Political Musk can only be purchased via Solana decentralized exchanges, like JUP.ag and Raydium.io, and early investors stand to make huge returns in the coming days. Early investors in SHIB and Doge made astronomical returns, and Political Musk could become the next viral memecoin. Political Musk launched with over $9,000 of liquidity, giving it a unique advantage over the majority of other new memecoins, and early investors could make huge gains. How to buy? To buy Political Musk on Raydium.io or JUP.ag ahead of the CX listings, users need to connect their Solflare, MetaMask or Phantom wallet, and swap Solana for Political Musk by entering its contract address. If you don't have one of these wallets already, you can create a new wallet in a few minutes and transfer some Solana to it, which will then be used to buy the memecoin from an exchange like Coinbase, Binance, and many others. In fact, early investors could make returns similar to those who invested in Shiba Inu, SHIB, and Dogecoin, Doge, before these memecoins went viral and exploded in price. If this happens, a new wave of memecoin millionaires could be created in a matter of weeks, or potentially even sooner. The Solana memecoin craze continues amid larger memecoins, like Shiba Inu, SHIB, Dogecoin, Doge, and Dog-Wifhat, WF, trading sideways in recent weeks and losing momentum. This is why many SHIB, Doge, and WF investors are instead investing in new Solana memecoins, like MUSKPOL. Such memecoins have no utility and no inherent value, but investors looking for high gains have been investing in them due to their potential to rapidly rise in price.